lots of difference between the rural and urban area. In urban area, you can say people are very advanced and they have a good lifestyle and a living standard. I'm not telling that rural people are not educated, but they have some low kind of lifestyle. So urban people are actually more advanced than rural people.
Rural.
Rural.
Urban area is advanced and updated, and we can see in rural area they do update themselves, but urban area people is so much knowledgeable, and they so much educated, and there are so many facilities in urban area, but rural area there is no facility like education, hospitality, that. And rural people area is so, and in rural people there are so much AI and artificial intelligence and so much technology, but in rural area there people not knowledgeable about that all things.
Yeah, we can see the difference between urban rural people lives and rural people's life, because as she said ki they are not educated as much as we urban people. So this is the biggest difference in both of the people, and I think they need to understand the thing to implement in their life, and the education is the biggest factor to change our life. So I think they should take the education as much as they afford. That's all.
Next.
Which part do you like the most in your whole day?
In my whole day, I love to do exercise, go to the gym. It's the best part of my life, my whole day. And I love to go to there and involved in many activities. Sometimes I involved in dance fitness, sometimes in yoga, sometimes in a physical exercise, lunches, crunches and all that. This is the best part of my whole day.
So my best part is when I watch my drama. This is my best part for holiday, because I love to watch it. So my holiday is beat jata hai.
Is spent.
Is spent watching dramas.
I love the best part of my day when I spend the time with my father, and I have learned some things which is very important and very helpful for my life. So this is the best part of my day.
Which one of the smartphone you would like to choose between S24 Ultra of the Samsung and iPhone 16 Pro Max?
Sometimes I confuse to operate the iPhones. I don't like the iPhones actually. I don't like the camera and moreover setting. I don't know about the iPhones. That's why I like Androids. Any kind of Android phone.
So I love Samsung phone because first of all Samsung is the number one company of phones, and for बेकार सा reason मैंने
Okay.
I
Yes.
don't like any particular smartphone and mobile phone. I have a Vivo V29, so I like Vivo V29.